Hello, what's up YouTube? My name is Roland. I am passionate about sharing the everyday journey of parenthood on our new YouTube channel, Nelda and Roland TV. Through authentic and heartfelt storytelling, I am to connect with other parents who are navigating the ups and downs of raising children. Join me as we celebrate the joys, tackle the challenges, and support each other with this amazing journey called parenthood. It is interesting to note that topics that are being discussed here are from my personal experiences. Of course, together with being a dad, I also share some of my side hustle like online marketing and honest reviews. With that being said, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Let's build a community where we can share advice, laughter, and moments of solidarity. Together, we can embrace the beautiful chaos of parenting. Thank you for being a part of this journey with me.